Oh, um, hi everybody. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm here today to share a tag that I made for Tina's tag swap, her Halloween tag swap on her channel, and it's Tina's Crafty Life. And I'll have her linked out below if you guys are still interested. I think you have time to do it until, I don't know, the 21st or the 22nd of September. And the requirements was it should be 3 by 6 size tag. Um, I made my tag. I cut my tag out of some packaging that I had. I love to reuse packaging for my bases of things, so they're sturdy and you know. I added some paper from American Craft. Let me get it here so I can show you. It's an older pack, and I inked the edges with my walnut stain and vintage photo. I added some of these paper doily spider webs that I got from Tuesday Morning last year. Um, I added some washi tape. I don't remember where I got it from, but it's been sitting on my desk, and I thought I'd just add it to the bottom and to the top of the tag. This piece is from Target. It was in a big pack of chipboard stickers. Here. um, oh my god, it just stuck to the packaging. Oh my god. No. Oh, that's great. Okay. Anyway, so I added that there. And then this tool I got from the Dollar Tree, and it came in a wide roll too, and I just cut them down to add to my tag here. And it's a gold, it came in gold and I believe silver, and I just kind of added it because of this gold spider from Target. And then this clear sticker here is also from Target. It was in their dollar spot last year, and I added it there because I wanted the paper to show through. And that is my simple card, not card, tag that I created for Tina's Crafty Life's Halloween tag swap. So I think it's due the 22nd, so you might have time to get it to her. I'm doing this video so I can mail it out to her today. So yeah, so that's my tag. I finally made something and finished something. Good grief. I've been doing different things and I've been bouncing all over the place, and I haven't really completed anything until I made these tags. So um, I hope Tina likes them, and yeah, I hope whoever gets my tag will enjoy them as well. And yeah, guys, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.